Okay guys, now we go for the CPU Waterblock. I have Alpha-Cooled on these two, and the main difference between Alpha-Cooled and EK is that the EK also has a backplate on the back of the motherboard, while the Alpha-Cooled just use washers on long screws. So we need to take care of that too. And since it's a water-cooled system, as you can see, we have the reservoir down there, 280 millimeter in the front and 360 upwards. I mean upside. You have to be very, very careful. You don't want to spill any water on the motherboard. And look at this tubing. They look brown, but they were perfectly clear when I bought them. That's why I'm going for the black ZMT tubing. And also I opened up the GPU block itself to see if this was some algae growing in the system, but it looks like it's only plasticizer, because the inside of the GPU water block is perfectly clean. There is nothing, no gunk up, nothing. Also because I use anti-algae and anti-corrosive, but I just can't explain the tubing. Maybe they just lost plasticizer or something, but well, let's see. This is the backside of my PC. As you can see here, the Alpha-Cooled one just goes on washers, here, in here, and here. And well, we must proceed and first remove the existing water block, and then going for install the new one. So let's see you in a few minutes. So here we are, guys. The CPU block is ready, and well, the only thing missing is tubing, but that is pretty straightforward. I mean, just cut the right length, and when you're done, screw it up with the... Sorry, a bit tired. It's kind of difficult putting in the backplate. Well, not as difficult as in with the Alpha-Cooled. That's really harder, but EK make it simple, so it's really something. It looks cool and everything. So let's go to the tubing. The easiest part, to my saying,